This is a tree water needs indicator circuit built on a breadboard. Tree water status monitor. When the LED is off, it means the soil is dry and the plant needs watering. As shown in the video, when we add water to the soil, the LED turns on, indicating that the soil now has sufficient moisture and there is no need to water the plant further. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies. How to make tree needs water indicator circuit on breadboard. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel at Book of Technical. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi and English. Subscribe and get new video. Thank you and visit Book of Technical channel again.